Hi there, this is Paige with Stamp Girl here on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you the packaging idea I came across on YouTube, and this is for the collab I'm doing with my friend Jill, who is Jill Made Creations here on YouTube. And I was watching the Posh Paper Lady. She's doing a series of stocking stuffers packaging, and so I followed her tutorial for making these little window boxes. And let's see, the paper that I used has been in my stash for a while. It's called There's No Place Like Home for the Holidays. It's from the Paper Studio. 2014 is the date on here. And you can see I have a ton of paper left to use. So I'll be enjoying that one for a long time. But anyway, her back to the Posh Paper Lady, she did a series on making some stocking stuffer gifts and some packaging for stocking stuffers, and so I liked the idea with the little window box and the divider on the inside. So along with that paper pad, I used some chipboard stickers in my stash. I believe these might have come from Teresa Collins. I don't have the rest of the package handy, but I just pulled out some of the different chipboard stickers. So I've got this one, excuse me, this one, and this one. And then here's one that I filled with candy. I don't have any Christmas candies yet, so I have to show you some fall Thanksgiving candies, and they just fit into the box like that and show through the window, and perfect for a little stocking stuffer. So anyway, that is my project. I'll leave a link down below to Jill's channel so you can check out her project this month. I'd like to thank you for joining me, and now I'm off to create.